Welcome back. Today we are diving into everything you need to know before booking the Canary Hanoi Hotel in Hanoi, Vietnam. Make sure to use the link or QR code in the description below to secure the best rates for your stay. The hotel is situated in a great spot, just 1.5 kilometers from the bustling city center. It is within walking distance of Thong Nhat Park and several local marts like G7 and Fuji Mart. With only 30 elegantly designed rooms, this 4-star property offers a much more personalized and quiet experience compared to larger, crowded hotels. The rooms are modern following a 2018 renovation and include amenities like air conditioning, free Wi-Fi, and soundproofing to ensure a peaceful night. You can enjoy an included buffet breakfast featuring Asian and American styles. It is a great way to fuel up before exploring the city. The hotel is about 40 minutes from the airport. They offer various services including airport transfers, taxi services, and even bicycle rentals for exploring. While the hotel is family-friendly and offers family rooms, please note that children are not permitted to stay free of charge and extra fees may apply. Check-in begins at 2 p.m. and check-out is until 12 p.m. They also offer express check-in to save you time upon arrival. The property maintains high standards with professional-grade sanitization, daily disinfection, and on-call medical assistance for peace of mind. With a high review score of 8.5 for value, this hotel is a solid choice for travelers looking for 4-star quality without an overwhelming price tag. Pros include its tranquil vibe and excellent cleanliness. Cons include the extra cost for children and the fact that it is slightly outside the immediate center. Canary Hanoi Hotel is a fantastic choice if you want a quiet, clean, and well-located base in Hanoi. Don't forget to use the link in the description to book safely and get the best deal. Happy travels!